Hi, John Lampe here from Green Shoots. This is a new product that we are introducing at the Prince Fall Show for 2021. It's called the Precision Foam Weed Killer Kit. What is foam weed killer? Watch this short video clip and I think you will quickly see its potential. There are three things that make foam weed killer so beneficial. First, it is highly precise. Kill just the weed and nothing else. Second, it is highly visible. You know immediately and for some time exactly what you have treated. Finally, it is highly effective. The next series of images demonstrate just how effective it is. This is a thistle rosette with a small dab of Green Shoots foam herbicide. Note that the herbicide here is glyphosate, which is a non-selective herbicide. Note also in the photo at right that the thistle was killed with no damage to nearby grass. You can use foam herbicide in lots of different ways. Here's a typical situation confronted by many of your customers. This is a bunch of crown vetch in a planting bed. In order to treat the crown vetch, all you have to do is bend the stems near the base and apply a little bit of foam weed killer to the bent stem. Check back on that planting bed and you'll have a complete kill of that crown vetch with no damage to nearby desirable plants. Foam weed killer also works great for cut stump treatments, as shown here in this treatment of common buckthorn. The kit is compact, but it comes with enough ingredients to kill between 250 and 300 trees that are about 3 inches in diameter. At Prince's Fall Show for 2021, we'll be in booth 420. Come visit and learn more about the Precision Foam Weed Killer Kit from Green Shoots. See you then.